First of all, this recipe is very simple and quick to prepare. This recipe is also very delicious and in my family we make it a lot. Finally, this recipe is very sweet and recognized in the country. 2 pounds of flour, 1 pound of sugar, 20 eggs, 1 tablespoon royal, 1 half of butter, 1 cheese in pieces, some raisins, essence to taste, 40 achira leaves. First of all, we likely eggs and flour. Add baking powder and butter until we get a dough without any lumps. When obtaining the mixture, we must put it in a bowl, add a pinch of vanilla essence and mix. We begin to put the dough in the center of the achira leaf, add raisin and a piece of cheese and close it. We must put the quimbolitos in a saucepan and cook them for approximately 45 minutes. Finally, we serve it with coffee.